Hello, I'm Jeff Bendall. I'm project manager here with Lighthouse Solar. We're on site today in a new installation in South Austin, and we'd like to talk with you all for a couple of moments about data monitor or energy monitor system that we install with all of our Lighthouse Solar systems. It's called Lightguage. And so I just want to give you a little brief idea of the typical installation, which is what we've got here today. This is a new installation that's gone in, and it's, as you can see, a really clean setup. We've got the solar array right above us. We've got a 7,000 watt SMA TL-22 inverter on the wall. We've got our AC disconnect and soon to be Austin energy meter, and then the interconnection in this main panel. So the Lightguage unit that we have is this. It's a solid state little server, and typically you won't see it, but it is serial numbered to your specific job, and that also helps to build the URL that you'll use to log in with it ultimately. So this is the unit as it's actually installed. So you see the Lightguage number, LG1400, that's the serial number for this unit, and we'll go over the URL to access it in a little bit on another segment. You have current transformers measuring the household consumption clamped around line 1 and line 2, and then we have current transformer measuring line 1 of the solar, and given the formulas inside the unit, we can create the graph that you'll ultimately interface with. I just wanted you to be able to see what's actually behind the dead face of the electric panel. Ultimately, it'll be closed up, and all you'll see are these two breakers. Now you can see the two breakers for the solar system. We have the red solar electric circuit breaker backfed sticker. That's the red one. When you call up with an issue, I'll say look at either the red or the white sticker. The white one is the Lightguage unit, and you can see it also has LG1400 on it, which is corresponding to the unit's number inside. Now this one, these are both off right now. If they were in the on position, they would be fully switched over. And what I would ask you to do in the event that we have the Lightguage unit go offline is to reboot it. So the way you'd reboot it is to actually come out to your panel, open it. Some are harder to open than others, so stick with it. Find the white sticker, and we're just going to turn it all the way off, give it a count of 5, and then turn it all the way back on. That will restart the unit. Just like rebooting your computer, it is effectively a computer. So it will help it reestablish connection to the internet, and then we can troubleshoot from there. The middle light is the link light, LK, and that's telling us that it's communicating to the device installed here, the Lightguage unit, and that it's communicating at the right megabytes per second. So this plug is a 500 megabyte per second adapter, and it communicates at more like 80. So when it's actually talking to our device, we get an orange light because it thinks it's communicating at a slow speed, but it's actually the speed we want it to be at.